In this video, I'll show you how to add a client to DiaryBook. Client records mainly hold contact details, which can be used for automatic reminders by SMS, email, telephone, or letter. Before we add a client, let's look at client groups. Groups help you organize clients, for example, by status, such as referred or waiting list, or by class activity, such as yoga or swimming. If you plan to use groups, it's best to set them up first, but you can add them at any time. To create a group, go to the Clients area and select Client Groups. Click Add New on the toolbar, enter the group name, and click Save. Repeat for each group you need. Now let's add a client. In the top right corner, click the green Add button and select Add New Client. The New Client screen opens. Depending on your account, you may see identification fields for unique codes. These are optional. At minimum, the client's first and last name are required. Fill in as much detail as suits your process. Here's how reminders work. SMS reminders go to the client's mobile number and can also be sent to parent or guardian numbers. Email reminders go to the email address provided. Voice reminders call the phone number entered. Letters use the address fields. When entering a mobile or phone number, first select the country, then enter the number. 2 other useful fields. Important note: highlights information on the client's record so it's always visible. General notes: a free text area for extra details. When finished, click Add. If your account has groups, you'll now see them. Select the groups this client belongs to and click Apply. Your new client has been created. To edit details, go to the Clients area and open the Clients screen. Use the search box if needed. Click the Clients row to open their record. On the General Details screen, click Edit in the toolbar, make changes, and click Update. For a faster shortcut, use the search icon in the top right corner. Type part of the client's name, select the right one, and their record will open immediately. And that's how you add and edit client details in DiaryBook. With your client record set up, you'll be ready to take full advantage of reminders, groups, and other features to streamline your workflow.